Mastering the structure of compare and contrast essays. Hello, learners! Today, we are delving into the fascinating world of compare and contrast essays. These essays are quite popular in academic writing as they help us understand things in relation to one another. Our focus for this lesson? The body of these essays and how to organize the comparison and contrast effectively. So, grab your notes, and let's dive in. Structure in an essay is much like the foundation of a house. Without a strong foundation, the house can't stand. Similarly, without a clear structure, an essay can feel disjointed and confusing. In compare and contrast essays, a clear structure helps readers understand what you are comparing, how they are similar, and how they are different. Organizing your comparisons and contrasts in a systematic way ensures clarity and effectiveness in conveying your message. When it comes to the body of a compare and contrast essay, there are primarily two methods to structure it. 1. Point-by-point method. This is where you alternate comparisons and contrasts between the two subjects throughout the essay. 2. E.g., if you were comparing apples to oranges. 3. Point 1. Compare the taste of apples to the taste of oranges. 4. Point 2. Contrast the color of apples with the color of oranges. 5. And so on. 6. Block method. Here, you discuss all the points about one subject first, and then all the points about the other. 7. E.g., for apples and oranges. 8. All points about apples first, taste, color, texture. 9. Followed by all points about oranges, taste, color, texture. The method you choose depends on the specifics of your topic and your personal preference. But, remember, clarity is the key. One key component that aids in the flow of a compare and contrast essay is the use of transitional words and phrases. These help to guide the reader and emphasize the comparisons or contrasts you're making. For comparisons, you might use phrases like similarly, likewise, in the same way, and both. For contrasts, on the other hand, however, unlike, whereas, and but. Using these phrases can make your arguments clearer and more compelling. And that wraps up our lesson on the body structure of compare and contrast essays. Whether you use the point-by-point or block method, always remember the importance of clear organization and transition words to guide your reader. We hope you found this lesson enlightening and feel more confident in crafting compelling compare and contrast essays. Keep practicing, and happy writing!